Now that we can add nodes to our list, let's write a function to print the contents of our list. So I have the beginnings of a function called printList, which will be passed the pointer to the head of the list. So I'm going to go ahead and create another pointer for the current node. And what we're going to do is we're going to test head. And if it's null, we're just going to print an error message that there are no nodes in the list. Else, we're going to loop through the list, getting each node and then printing num. If there isn't a head, I'll see out no nodes in list. Else, I want to loop through the list. So I'm going to set current node to the head of the list. And then while current node, meaning while there are elements in the list, I'll print out the member num from the node. And then I always like to print a space. And then I'm going to get the next node. So current node will be assigned the pointer that's in current node's next member. If head is pointing to a node, I'll set current node to head, which will be this node. And then while current node contains an address, I'm going to print out current node's num, and then I'll set current node to current node's next. So then current node will contain the node with the 5 integer. And then it'll print out 5, and then it'll go to current node's next. It'll print out -7, and then it will go to current node's next. And it'll print out 2. And then current node will be set to current node's next, which will be null. So that will end our loop. When I jump out of my loop, I will print an end line just to go to the next line. And let's test our program. So enter an integer. I'll enter a 3, 5, -7, 2, and then I'll enter a Q to quit, and it prints out the contents of the list.